Good morning, children. It's again a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Word Pairs. It's in page number 27. Please open page number 27 of your books. The name is Word Pairs. Okay, so there are you all need to remember that there are some words which are very commonly used and it is used together. That means it is used in pairs. Okay, there are many words, but here it's only 10 such words given which has its pairs. Like, for example, I know most of you must have heard about bread and butter. So similarly, these are word pairs, and similar pairs there are many such pairs. You just need to remember 10. Here only 10 words are given, 10 similar pair words are given. One is given over here and the other one you have to guess and write. All the options are over here, you have to guess and write. I have already done it for you. You just need to remember all these pairs. Fine. Please everyone see the spelling as well as I have written it. The options are given from here. I have chosen and written it for you all. Okay, come to the first one. It is cup and saucer. You all know cup and saucer is a phrase. You have seen also in the cutlery set. If you have not, ask your parents to show you. They'll show you what is a cup and saucer. See the option over here. This is the option, saucer. So cup and saucer it is. Okay, see the spelling, SAUCER. Write the correct spelling. Come to the second one, forks and knives. Forks and knives, it is also a word pair which is used together. The option I have chosen is from here, this second line, second option. Okay, right over here, knives, forks and knives it is. This is also your mother will be able to show you in the kitchen. It's definitely available. Forks and knives are always available in the kitchen. Fine. Come to the third one. It is a very common one which I already gave you an example. Bread and butter it is. Bread and butter. Okay, right over here, butter. The option is chosen from here. This is the option, butter. Okay, right over here. Now the fourth one, this is again a very common one, man and woman. Okay, man and woman. So this is also a pair. Come to the fifth one, shoes and socks. Remember, shoes always goes with socks. So shoes and socks it is. See the spelling, check the spelling everyone. Sixth one, it is brother and sister. When you say brother, the other pair comes as sister. So the pair will be brother and sister. Seventh one, same thing, the sun and the moon it is. Okay, the sun and the moon. The morning sky has sun and the night sky has moon. So it is a pair, the sun and the moon. Come to the eighth one. This is also a very famous word pair. It is salt and pepper. Okay, salt and pepper. See the spelling everyone. See, PEPPER. So I have written as it is, salt and pepper. Okay, come to the ninth one. It is needle and thread. Remember, needle and thread. Without thread, needle has no use, right? So it is needle and thread. Come to the 10th one. It is fruits and vegetables. It is again a very common pair. It is fruits and vegetables. You all know what it is, right? Fruits and vegetables. So all the options I have chosen from here. You all also select from these option list and write over here in the book. Try to remember all the 10 pairs. These are very easy ones. I'll be asking like cup and dash. You have to answer saucer. Okay. Similarly, word pairs I'll be asking. So try to learn it. If you have any difficulty in learning, any problem in the understanding the chapter, please do let me know. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.